What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of 50/50 Fishing. Today I'm meeting up with my buddy Devin, and we are fishing a spot that we have fished together in the past. But yeah, it's a little bit chilly out, but it's really a nice day. I am enjoying this spring weather that is coming in early this year too. We went straight from ice fishing on like 10-11 inches of ice to completely open water in like a week. Crazy how drastic the temperatures changed. But yeah, we're gonna dive right into the video, so stay tuned. Looks pretty epic. This looks pretty freaking juicy, dude. You could fish the whole pond from the dock. Ain't no fish in here. Bet you if I just drop one of those minnows down right underneath the dock and just get slammed. I might do that actually. This is gonna be the test right here. I got a feeling something's gonna happen like with this, watch. Do I even have big bobbers? Oh God. What? Yeah. I just said they'd be. Oh dude, I just like, it killed him, whatever it was. He like ripped his insides out. Something grabbed it right there, dude. Look, 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 look. You see that? Bro, did you see that? Watch my rod. He's dead now, so he can't even move. Watch my rod. Look at that.
What's that?
What is that? Let me try the little guy. What do you think that is? Oh God, yeah.
Hey, yeah,
it's a pretty one. Good size. Oh. Got him.
what is it?
Pretty, whatever it is. Oh, did you lose it?
Let me get some of that.
Yeah.
I'm coming. I'll pack with that.
At least I know that works. Oh boy.
I think Alfie's a
Where's he at? Oh, he choked that. Okay, at least I know that works. I got plenty of these. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Dude, I forgot how like angry these guys are. Oh God, live. God. Oh God.
There it is.
Hammered it.
There it is.
Hammered it.
How you doing?
Toss me that. You got it?
No, you don't. Listen, you get your own YouTube channel. You don't let your own thing. Okay? Just bring it to me. I'll do the rest.
Man.
Oh man, he's torn up. Look at that.
Ew.
What'd you do to him,
I
Joe?
didn't do that. He is all f***ed up though. Something's in here eating him, dude. He's got an exposed brain, dude. There we go. His brains are exposed. Oh my God. Ew, my finger just went into his brain hole. He's actually healing pretty good from whatever that is. I don't know what that is, dude. That could have been a bird. It looks like he was caught in a net, honestly, is what that looks like. That was weird. Am I recording? These fish are crazy, dude. All right, guys, what's 2 on the old power worm? I didn't even like rig this right. This is like how I would fish a stream. I think you can boat flip that one.
I'm deck flipping him.
I'm scared, though. We're going to run out.
Look out,
We're going to run out. Oh, at least it didn't break. Probably shouldn't boat flip him. Got limited tackle. I want one to hit this. I just want to do weird stuff. I don't want to catch trout the normal way. Oh, dude, I got one on my other pole. I said this is just sitting there. I don't even have to. I don't even have to freaking.
I won't even let that thing out of the tag.
Well, I let that guy eat it. I got him. He was deep, but he was all right. Jesus Christ, now he's not. I think I could just. I don't even think I have to do anything with this. I think I can just sit there. Oh man. I don't know what's going on. It's like around something. Oh, this does feel good. He was probably on there forever. He's probably dead. No, he's not bad. Oh, we got some drag pull. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a little better. A little funner. I want to have like a 9-pound bass to eat him now. Jesus Christ, this guy's angry. Dubbies? Dude, neither one of us are in reach of the net. We f***ed this up. Oh boy.
Hold on here.
I don't know if my line's okay. What are we doing? I'm holding them both. Get the crossing them up, boys. No, that's gonna.
No, I ain't double netting that.
That's gonna be a mess. Get yours first. Here, just toss me in that. I'll get him.
You got it?
Yeah. Come here. Oh God, this guy can fight. Hey. See, like, I feel like this is the bigger ones in here right now, though. I'm just sitting that out there. I don't even got a fish. I can just, like, should have brought a bunch of beer. Look at that. That's a landlocked steelhead. Yeah. There, bud.
Fuck, there is some good depth there.
Oh, that's got hit. Not even joking. Maybe those were trout that were hitting those minnows. Oh, Jesus, it got popped again. Ain't working. This ain't working, man. Oh, yeah, it is. Pulled him up, and there he was. On the ice spoon. What you know about me? Man, that was weird. I just lifted it up, and he just smashed on the way up. I must have been like too far down. Man, these guys are the squirmiest freaking trout. I wanted to jig something, because I knew there was fish down there. All I had that was jiggable, really, on that rod was this little ice spoon here. Oh yeah. Oh, you know, we've been kind of smashing them. This spot's kind of ridiculous though. He's making some weird noises. I've never heard a trout do that. There, bud. All right. What you know about that, dude? I'm catching trout on bait casters now. It's a whole new technique here. It's how you catch these landlocked steelhead. They're indigenous to this part of West Virginia. Right now, I'm kind of just going through my tackle box to see like what these fish will not hit. So far, I haven't found anything. Well, except for that giant rattle bait that was like sounded like the entire pond was getting electrocuted.
You're not recording?
I was though. I just caught my biggest fish and wasn't recording. What the hell? I could have sworn I was. I'm messing up. I'm just messing shit up, dude. Wasn't even recording for my best fish of the day.
Baby. Oh, look at that. That's a good one.
A baby there.
She back to work.
I'm both on this guy. Ah. Calm down. Gee, these things are so fired up, dude. Like, trout don't act like this anywhere else. Some landlocked steelhead, I'm telling you. This guy was little. Hey, bud. There's fish over here for some reason. Oh, missed him. Got a tree now. Big? Need a net? Is that a bass?
Yeah.
What are you doing over here? Those are healthy looking bass. There's probably a giant bass in here somewhere. But he's healthy. Like, look how little his eye is. So he's very young. So he's shaped like that.
Oh, yeah.
There's probably a giant in here, dude. I'm gonna catch a couple more trout seeds and then I'm gonna throw in an underspin and just pick this pond apart and see if I can get something. Where you at? Where you at? I don't think there's hybrids in here, man. Should have been wrecked by now.
I know he's put them in here. He's active. He's stopped out in here.
There's something. Bass. Skating them in.
Yeah.
Skating them in. Dude, look how bad he wanted that though. Look at that, choked it.
He did choke.
Choked the underspin. Okay, but they're all this size so far though. Oh my god, look at that. Look where he's hooked.
Jeez Louise, man. He crushed it.
Well, oh god, look what he's eating. Something like in his mouth. Oh god. What is that? A crawfish? Yeah, he's eating crawfish, dude. Hey, bud.
Huh?
Well, guys, that's going to wrap up today's episode. I actually broke this day into like 3 different episodes because we just caught so many freaking fish and I didn't feel like putting them all in one giant video. Caught a bunch of trout in this one. The next video, like I guess part 2, I don't know if I'm gonna make parts, but yeah, the next video from this day, the bass and stuff start hitting really good, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, every time I fish with Devin, I have an absolute blast. He's just a funny dude, and we always catch a ton of fish. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.